Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are studying law of demand. In the last lecture we explained this law of demand with the help of a schedule, and we say that when price rises, demand falls, and when price falls, demand rises. And we make a schedule like this. For example, if this is price, this is quantity demand. I told you earlier that when the price of milk is for example 50, quantity demand, a consumer demands 1 kg of milk. When price falls to 40, demand is 2 kgs of milk. And when price falls for 30, he demands 3 kgs of milk. Now when price falls, demand rises. So this can be explained with the help of a demand curve. I will make a graph of this table. From y-axis let's measure price, and from x-axis let's measure quantity demand. Just for example, quantity demand 1, 2, 3, 4, and we write here this is 10, this is 20, 30. We will keep the scale here 10, 10. We will keep here scale 1, 1, 40 and 50. When the price is 50, how much is quantity demand? It is 1. So when price is 50, quantity demand is 1. So this point, this point, this point. Let's name this as point A. So the point A is x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 50. It shows that price 50, quantity demand is 1. Now when price goes to 40, quantity demand is 2. This point. So this point it shows when price is 40, quantity demand is 2. And when price is 30, quantity demand is 3. This point. That is called, this is point B, that's then point C. Point C shows that when price is 30, quantity demand is 3. So this is, simply we can say, these are 3 points here, and we will join these pointers A, B and C. When we join these pointers, we get a demand curve. We will name this as D dash. So D dash, it is called a demand curve. So this is demand curve. If you make the points here visible, you can also do this if you want. So this is demand curve. So what is demand curve? This is demand curve. What is demand curve? If we are asked to explain demand curve is the graphical representation of demand schedule. So demand curve is the graphical representation of demand schedule. What the demand schedule shows in tabular form, this demand curve shows in graph form. So it shows different quantities. Point A shows quantity 1 at price 50. Point B shows quantity 2 at price 40. Point C shows quantity 3 at price 30. It shows different quantities of commodity demanded by a consumer at different prices. So simply we can say what the demand schedule shows, demand curve also shows that. So it is the graphical representation of demand schedule. And right here it shows different quantities of a commodity demanded by a consumer at different prices. So the definition is same. Definition of these two are same. It is here tabular form, but here it is in graph form. Thank you very much.